No. Give it to me. Now get to me. Whoa, you caught something again.
Sunfish.
No, look how bending it. Look how much it's bending my rod. Look how much it's bending my rod.
Okay, take them off.
Okay. I'll hold your rod for you. No, sit. Nothing. You're gonna get spiked down here. Down there. Hey, don't touch it. I'm gonna hold the fish so you can unhook it. Is this the only spiky part, Daddy? Yeah. Or there's spiky parts down there? There's no spiky parts down there, just at the top fin. Squeeze it down there. Squeeze it. Not too hard though. There. Then you're gonna suffocate it.
Grab them by the belly. You gotta grab them hard and then pull the hook up.
It's like,